Hi, it's Gary at Broad Lane Leisure. Today I'm going to show you around this 2015 Swift Corniche 18.4. This is two fixed single beds with the end bathrobe. It's the latest Swift body styling, as you can see, so very aerodynamic front panel with 3 opening windows and a fixed panoramic window at the front there too. You can stand on the front A-frame so as to clean the windows. Comes with ATC, active trailer control. You've got benefits of gas barbecue point for outdoor cooking, service hatch to the space under the front seats, Powr on the outside, service door to the space under the front single bed, and it does come with a fitted used motor mover. Inside, it's not long arrived, so it's just been prepared by our valeting team. Nice modern colours, typical of Swift. Roof light, fixed panoramic window, LED lighting, blinds, incorporated in cassette system, so night and flying screens, alarm system. It's got loose laid carpets, but as I said earlier, it's currently being prepared. Stereo system, overlocker lighting, and the LED lighting is all adjustable. Mood lighting, extractor fan, microwave, illuminated splashback. It just doesn't stop. Full cooker incorporating the electric hot plate, grill hob oven, kitchen extension, always useful, Dometic with easy touch button control, fridge with freeze compartments which you can remove, which is a nice touch. Over the door you've got the main controls, and you've also got your heating control and hot water control, which is the Truma system, which is available with timer. 2 single beds, they're high quality mattresses, the Duvet mattresses. So you've got access to the space under this particular bed from outside. Door to the washroom, residential star door handle. It gives us a loo with swivel seat, as you can see. Wash basin. And a decent sized shower with rise and fall shower. And you've got the bifold door, easy to get in and out of, and you've got the hanging rail, hanging up things like wet towels, etc. And there you go, it's got 2 fixed single beds, it's in super condition. I recommend a viewing. Please call us for details. It's 01789 763 432. The website address is www.broadlane.co.uk. Thank you very much.